What about Zoe? Did you see Zoe?
Not that much.
Oh yeah, you did.
Okay.
Did you see Ed? Was he holding on to you and giving you sugar?
Alright.
No? He was. I saw him. He didn't really want. He did. Yeah. Do you like your swing? Do you like your swing? It's not moving, is it? What if we did that? Is that better?
Lay down, Dad.
What is it, sweetie? What is it?
Where do you want me to put this towel, Mom?
Just bring it back to me.
Alright.
Say, Auntie? Would that be easier?
Looks like she's getting ready to grab your hair.
You can. You want to grab my hair? You could. Yes, you could.
Honey,
looking.
come drink your ale,
You're gonna have
please.
orange juice, okay?
Okay.
Did I get your finger?
Papa, much is there?
Uh-oh, Papa's with the camera. Papa got the camera.
Just a ooh.
Does Papa have the camera? Smile for Papa. How do you do, sweetie?
Adrian, do the show.
Here, have these small one with the bigger one with the
Is that burning?
I don't know, it seemed cold when I turned it on.
Yeah. You're going to use it first.
Oh.
There was a little red serum on your face last and I didn't know if you had any, so I grabbed some of this.
No, I thought I didn't. I kept digging in the bag and I didn't find any. I thought I had it, but...
I grabbed some of this. I didn't know I got these in the car somewhere, but...
Yeah, you did better back then.
What did you do?
My Dimples is just talking to you.
Oh, is she?
Telling her stories.
Oh.
Why is your butt wet?
Put his head on it. Yeah.
Are you going to talk to me?
Hey there, beautiful.
Oh, look at it. Oh.
Is it
It's Princess. We've decided, Adrian, her nickname is Princess.
Is it Princess?
Yes. Princess Leanna.
Princess Diana. Do you like that?
She does. She is. I'm not kidding. That's her nickname. If you don't know, in Finland, is how you say Leanna in Finland, so we just been a name of Princess.
Yeah.
She's getting ready to jump out. She's off.
Did that tickle?
And then once you get older, she'll be the queen.
Yeah.